Hi friends, welcome back to Parucooks. This is another collaboration video with my lovely Mauritian friend. We are preparing a Mauritian traditional Christmas lunch. Last year I did a pumpkin gratin recipe with Shirley. This is a continuation of that video and we are completing the whole Christmas lunch today. Here I am at Shirley's front garden. There is a bit of a French theme going there with a lot of colorful roses, bougainvillea. And I can also see she has some nice herbs here like dill and more roses on the other side of the house. Let's see what's there on the white table. Oh, look at this. These are some nice lavender bush. And here we go. Bit of a French Mauritian theme with a nice terrarium with a cactus. It looks lovely. And here comes Shirley's dog to greet me before Shirley.
Hi Pavati, welcome back for another fun video.
Oh my god, Shirley, you've decorated the house again different theme.
Come on in, I'll take you in my backyard for a quick tour.
Thank you. Before going to the backyard, let's do the formal bit. Then we can go to the backyard. How about that?
Hello. Hi Shirley. Welcome back to Parucooks channel on her journey for international home cooking. Today we are just going to complete the Christmas dish that we started last year.
I was so much looking forward to seeing your backyard, Shirley. I know it is amazing. Oh my god, look at the plant collection Shirley has now. It's huge. It's such a nice backyard, nice and clean. She has a good collection of tropical plants as well as Australian native plants. I can't imagine having this much plants in my backyard. Oh my god, look at this flower. Is that a grape plant, Shirley?
Yes, this is just my first attempt to try to grow grapevines. Hopefully it will turn out very well.
And you have so many hanging pots here, varieties of cactuses and succulents. Ah, that's a hydrangea. Look at the color, I love this. Now we are on the other side of the house where she has all her herb collection as well as some berry bushes. There is some fresh mint and also spring onions, garlic chives, oregano, sage and some taro. And there is some Vietnamese mint and French tarragon. Okay, now let's see what's in the raised garden beds. There are some lettuce, zucchini, snow peas. They're growing very healthy, I can see. What is this plant, Shirley?
This is called the choco plant and in Mauritius it's very popular. We call it shushu.
Oh, that's nice. And I can also see some nice fresh kale and also nice tomatoes. And look at the purple tiny tomatoes growing. And this is a cherry guava plant. It is similar to Indian guava. Now I can certainly see the connection between both countries, Mauritius and India. And look at the lemon tree and strawberries. Oh my god, what she has not in this backyard. Look at the strawberry plants which is on a vertical garden setup. Okay, now Shirley is already picking some goodies from her backyard for the home cooking show today. There are some lettuce, some snow peas. We're going to cook with this soon. And she's also plucking some mint. Now we are back inside the house. The table is all ready and set. Look at the table settings. Oh my god. Very color coordinated and Christmassy theme here. The house looks nice and cozy and it's so organized. And look at the Christmas decorations. Very color coordinated here as well. And here in this corner I can see a really nice home bar setup. Bit of a collection going here.
I can tell you this is not my collection.
And back to the living area. Beautiful Christmas bubbles. Really nice Christmas tree on the corner. More Christmas decorations on the wall. And some more indoor plants. So let's go up to the kitchen and start cooking. Shirley is already preparing for the pumpkin gratin to be going into the oven. If you want to see the detailed video of how to make the pumpkin gratin, I will provide the link in the description. And I can also see you've already marinated the chicken. Can you please explain, Shirley, what all you put in the marination?
I've added salt, pepper, garlic, cinnamon, cloves, thyme, parsley, soy sauce, fish sauce, and a bit of oyster sauce.
Now we heat up some oil and we're going to roast this chicken in a pan in medium to low heat. We're going to save up this sauce for later. We're going to add the sauce into the chicken once it is getting cooked. We also have all our ingredients ready for the salad and for the stir fry. Now we're going to marinate the mushroom for a vegetarian version of this dish. Now Shirley is seasoning the mushrooms with some salt and pepper. Along with that, she's adding some fresh herbs. These are from her garden. There is some lemon thyme, some parsley. This is finely chopped parsley, and some garlic. Garlic will give a nice flavor to the mushroom. Some extra garlic here. And she's also putting some clove powder, cinnamon powder, and nutmeg powder. Along with the spices, she's also going to add some rice wine and some dark and sweet soy sauce. Once it is nicely mixed, she's going to leave it aside for some time. Then we're going to start cooking the mushroom as well. So now let's start cooking the mushrooms in melted butter. So Shirley put the pan on the stove now. Butter is already melting. Now here goes the mushrooms. You're going to cook this in low flame. Is that right, Shirley?
Yeah, that's right. It's just like a very slow cooking, just to let the mushrooms simmer in that sauce.
Okay, that's nice. I can already smell the beautiful aroma. I can say this is going to be really yummy. So tell me, Shirley, what's the next step?
So this is a gravy for the mushroom. Once it's thoroughly cooked, we would just remove it from the pan, keep it aside, and to that sauce we will add 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Before that we added some butter. We will give it a good mix until the gravy is nice and silky, and add the mushroom to the sauce.
Okay, so now the mushroom is back in the thick gravy. It is nicely coated. Now we're going to go back to the chicken. Tell me a bit more about this recipe, Shirley.
This is my mom's recipe. As you can see, I kept the skin on because I just wanted to keep the traditional recipe. So I'm just putting the chicken aside, and back to the sauce I'm adding the plain flour. This is about 2 tablespoons of plain flour. We give it a good whisk until it's well combined, and then we would add some butter to it for a silky finish.
Okay, now we're done with the chicken. We're going to make the stir fry. For that, we have heated up some butter in a cast iron pan and added some finely chopped onions into it. This is red onions we are using. You can use any onion of your choice. Now we're going to add some garlic into this for a nice flavor, and this snow peas. This is homegrown snow peas which we plucked earlier. We've added some salt and pepper. That's all we are using, and some fresh mint into this. Okay, now our stir fry is ready. Let's move on to the salad now. Right, Shirley?
Yeah, it's a very simple salad with a simple dressing with some finely chopped onion, some freshly cracked pepper, salt, bit of white vinegar. You can use lemon juice as well, and a bit of olive oil, and you just mix everything together.
Now I think our Mauritian Christmas lunch is ready. The pumpkin gratin just came out of the oven.
Please help yourself, have a taste, and let me know what you think.
Sure, Shirley. I'm going to plate it up. First, pumpkin gratin. I'm going to slowly take it and put it on my plate, along with the other dishes we cooked today, which is chicken, the vegetarian version, which is the mushroom, and the stir fry, and the salad. Yes, now here goes the gravy. I'm going to pour a generous amount of gravy here. I know the gravy is really good. Now I'm going to add some stir fry along with some salad. this is our vegetarian version, which is the mushroom, and the mushroom gravy. We saved a little bit of extra mushroom gravy, which I'm going to pour on top of the mushrooms. And now and the last bit is the bread. We're going to add, what is that bread called, Shirley?
As we know, we cannot go without our baguette. So here you are with some slices of our baguette.
Oh, yum. I can't wait to eat this now.
Bon appetit.
Thank you. This was such a delicious Christmas lunch. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you soon.